Oh man, it's cold out today. I think we have a wind chill of -30, I think they said. Look at this. Woohoo, doggy. Let's see what it looks like coming at us. Hands are cold, cold, cold. Looks like a whiteout over here. Look at that, there's a package. It's gonna have to stay out there for a while. I'm not touching it. I don't know what it is. Oh man, my hand's starting to go numb. I've only been in here less than a minute. I just noticed this. Look at all this snow coming in, and it's in the middle of the house. It must be blowing through the soffit. I mean, it's blowing sideways out there, and I see it up here. I actually see it floating through the air now that I'm talking about it. So yeah, it's gonna be a little sloppy wet in here. But what you gonna do? Oh shoot! Oh man, I lost a pillar. Oh, what a bummer. Cripes. I lost some soffit up there too. Man, I'm really bummed about that pillar. I hope that top capital's okay. The bottom one's smashed. It looks like there's a little money for me. Man, what a bummer. I'm gonna have to get those things little piece of angle. I'll have to fasten them on there so they can't blow over. I didn't think that thing had enough room to blow around, and plus it's round. Oh man, what a bummer. Holy crap, look at the garage. Look at that. Oh, what a mess. It's gonna be, I think, a couple days of this stuff. I've got water running in the bathroom. The lines were frozen there. I caught them in time. I mean, they were barely coming through, so I had to let it run for about 5 minutes, and then they opened up. Man, I got some losses today. What a bummer. Oh well.